Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our 2.5 by 3.5 name badge.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our 2.5 by 3.5 aluminum name badge. It is one-sided, so the first side is going to be gloss white. The second side is going to be a silver. We have magnet fasteners that are sold separately online at coastalbusiness.com that apply to the back, so be sure to check those out as well. Now let's get started.
Today we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our Sawgrass printers. Make sure that when you are using aluminum items, you do check for a liner. This one we've already done. So we're going to just line it up on the template and tape it using the tape. And we're going to go at the very corners of this so we don't overlap the design much with the tape so it doesn't cause any discoloration. Okay, we are ready to press.
Perfect, like so. Okay, so we are using our Hot Shot Exfusion today. I'm going to place a piece of silicone down on our bottom platen. We're going to place our image face down onto our substrate, cover again with a piece of silicone, and today we are pressing at 400 degrees for 45 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are going to remove immediately. I am wearing my thermal gloves. This aluminum is a little bit hot when it comes off of the press, and just remove, let it cool for a few seconds. Okay, so here you go. Once it has cooled, it is good to go. You can put your magnet fastener on or any type of name badge backing, and you're all set. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Yeah, actually, in addition to being good name badges, these are also great. Just to put the magnet on there and throw it on the fridge.
There you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. Please don't forget to check out our product instructions and templates on coastalbusiness.com. We'll see you next time.